What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing an organizational video with you guys. You guys, look at this cabinet. This is our Tupperware cabinet and this is so embarrassing. We lived in our house for about 4 years and I've just never gone through this Tupperware cabinet. Whenever I need something, I just try to like move things around to look for something and just toss the dishes back in there. It's just terrible. So today I've had enough. I'm going to clean it out and wipe everything down, organize it so it'll look really good and just be more functional, because right now it is not functional at all. You see there's random mail in there because my kids will take stuff and just throw it in this cabinet. It's just ridiculous. So we're going to be cleaning this out. If you like these types of videos, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. And let's just get into it. So these are all of the Tupperwares that were in that cabinet. Right now I'm going to see what containers have lids, and if they don't have lids or if they're just like a random container, then I'm gonna throw it out or I'm gonna recycle it. So we have my whole kitchen table filled with containers, and then part of my countertop. So there's some more containers over here. This huge purple plate was under there as well. So I'm just going to go through all of these and see what matches and then go from there. So I finished putting all the lids on everything. This whole bag right here are containers that don't have lids or they're either old. I'm gonna recycle those and these also, because this is the old one and these are lids that don't have a bottom. I don't know where they are. I think they got broken or whatever. So that's all recycle. And then this is what I'm left with right here. So not too bad. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put them in the cabinet. Alright guys, here is everything all organized. Everything's finished. We have our the plastics over here. We have the glass containers over here. Down here are just mixing bowls. We have some stainless steel. There's glass back there. Watch out, baby. Some plastic mixing bowls, more glass. Here's the final look of our cabinet, all organized and cleaned. Definitely an improvement from what it looked like before. So if you guys enjoyed this cleaning slash organizational video, then go ahead and give the video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. Right, and tell them to give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up. And say subscribe. Subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Bye.